So today we're going to go over installing PayRange into a vending machine. It's fairly easy. Here we making sure that the power is off to the unit.
So we're trying to find
and we are looking for
the main cord that comes off
the source of
board
cable coming from the board, because you need to have the cord coming right from the board.
Should be where it splits. This is the split. So I believe we gotta take that two apart. Let's see if I can do this while I'm filming. Yeah, let's make sure we have no power. And then take our PayRange key and this will plug into that, just like that. And we don't have a card reader, so this will go into the 1 MDB port. If you had a card reader, that would go into 2 card. And then we will push in the fuse. Machine is activating. We've got power. And then we got blue. Solid blue means we're good. Now we got to see if we can find the device and then register the device.
Here we are going inside the app, how you would make a purchase. You slide over, you make your selection, and then it will debit from the credits in your account on the app at PayRange on Google or Apple devices.